Ragresu Roppongi is a spacious and luxurious private apartment, well located in the famous Roppongi area, and with 5-minute walk to Roppongi Station on the Tokyo Metro Hibiya Line and Toei Oedo Line, and 5 minutes to Roppongi Ichome Station on the Toei Nobunku Line. The 53 square meters apartment is located in a high secure building. It's composed of a huge living room and kitchen fully furnished with TV, sofa and real dining table. There is also a balcony. The kitchen is equipped with kitchenware, fridge, and gas stove. Everything who can make you feel home. On the apartment, there is 2 rooms, one with a semi-double bed, and another one with 2 single beds. Both have big closets, perfect for a couple or family. Now let me show you this big clean bathroom with a washing machine and a big bath. There is also a separate toilet. Outside the building, you have a storage for the garbage. The building is surrounded by a quiet park and some combini. But you have access to supermarket just next with fresh products. There is also a pharmacy and a Japanese language school. Check this amazing property on the description below. See you soon on Tokyo Room Finder.